They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. But sometimes that step isn't just about moving forward, it's about capturing the beauty along the way and sharing it with the world. Today, I want to tell you the story of a channel that started with one simple idea: to walk through the streets of Jamaica and invite the world to come along. This is the story of Jamaica Walk By. Every YouTuber starts somewhere, and for the creator of Jamaica Walk By, that somewhere was right here in Jamaica. The vision was simple: show Jamaica as it really is, not just as the postcards show it, not just as the glassy travel ads show it, but the people, the streets, the life, the soul. Armed with a camera, a steady hand, and a heart full of pride for his country, he pressed record and started walking. There was no big studio, no fancy team, just one person, one camera, and a dream to capture Jamaica in its purest form. Those early videos, they weren't perfect, but it didn't matter. What mattered was showing the truth: the morning bustle of Spanish Town Road, the laughter in Ocharias, the rain-kissed beauty of the countryside. And slowly, people started to notice. As the weeks turned into months, something amazing happened. The walk became longer, the shots became steadier, the quality improved, not just in resolution, but in storytelling. The channel began to find its rhythm. Impressive walking tours in 4K, letting viewers feel like they were right there. Authentic ambience soundscape, no distracting commentary, just the raw sound of life in Jamaica. Consistency, videos upload week after week, showing dedication and discipline. From bustling markets to quiet rural lanes, from well-known landmarks to hidden corners even local hadn't seen in years. Jamaica Walk By became more than a channel. It became a bridge between Jamaica and the world. Viewers from the US, Canada, the UK, and across the Caribbean diaspora tuned in, not just to watch, but to connect, to reconnect with a home they missed, or to fall in love with a country they'd never visited. Fast forward to today, and the numbers speak for themselves. Over 240,000 subscribers, more than 48 million views. A loyal audience that keeps coming back video after video. An average video length of over 100 minutes, proving that long-form content still has a place when it's done right. The creator's work is not just entertainment, it's documentation, it's history, it's a visual archive of Jamaica's streets, towns, and the people at the moment in time. Every footstep, every sound, every frame is a piece of cultural preservation. And let's not ignore the reality. With the success of this channel, it shows that passion can turn into a sustainable income when combined with consistency and quality. So, what can we learn from Jamaica Walk By? For every aspiring YouTuber watching this, here are the lessons. Start with what you have. You don't need the best gear on the first day. Use what's in your hands and improve over time. Be consistent. Upload regularly, not once in a while, but enough that your audience knows you're serious. Focus on your niche. This channel doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It's about Jamaican walking tours, and it owns that space completely. Value authenticity. People can feel when your content is real. That's why viewers stay for over an hour on these videos. They trust the experience. Let your work speak. Not every video needs commentary. Sometimes silence let the story breathe. And maybe the most important, don't compare your day one to someone else's 5 year. Remember, this channel's success wasn't overnight. It was built step by step. The journey of Jamaica Walk By is proof that dreams grow when you nurture them with patience, with discipline, and love for what you do. It's proof that one camera, one person, one vision can reach across oceans and touch hearts in every corner of the globe. To the creator of Jamaica Walk By, thank you for walking these streets for us, for showing us Jamaica through your eyes, and for reminding us that beauty exists in every lane, in every street that you go. And to every YouTuber out there wondering if your channel will ever grow, if anyone will ever care, remember this. The world might not notice your first video, or your second video, or even your 10th video, but keep going. Stay consistent, stay authentic, stay true to your vision. Because one day you might look up and realize that hundreds of thousands of people are walking right there beside you. This is just a thought, and maybe, just maybe, it's time you start your walk. Kindly visit Jamaica Walk By and subscribe to his channel if you have not yet done so, and enjoy the experience. Also, like, comment, and share this video with someone to inspire them. Subscribe to this channel and state in the comments who you would want us to highlight next in upcoming videos. Until next time, do take care and blessings.